Hello everyone. This video is about Bombay Stock Exchange. Stock exchange is a place which facilitates the actual trading in securities between the investors. There are several stock exchanges that exist in this world. Bombay Stock Exchange is one among them. The Bombay Stock Exchange BSE is the first and largest security market in India and was established in 1875 as the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. Based in Mumbai, India, the BSE lists close to 6,000 companies and is one of the largest exchanges in the world, along with New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange Group, Japan Exchange Group, and Shanghai Stock Exchange. The BSE has been instrumental in developing India's capital markets by providing an efficient platform for the Indian corporate sector to raise investment in capital. This Bombay Stock Exchange, it is the largest and the first security market in India. It is also the oldest stock exchange in Asia. This stock exchange, it was established as a membership based firm, that is an association of persons. Now it is demutualized and become a corporatized entity. This BSE, it has provided a better platform for Indian companies to trade in securities and raise capital. Strategic objectives of Bombay Stock Exchange: to promote, develop and maintain a well-regulated market for dealing in securities. This BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange, it comes under the regulation of Securities and Exchange Board of India. Therefore, it provides a well-regulated market for dealing in securities. To safeguard the interest of members and the investing public having dealings on the stock exchange, BSE has framed several rules and regulations mainly for the protection of the interest of investors and members of stock exchange. To promote industrial development in the country through efficient resource mobilization by way of investment in corporate security. This BSE that provides a better platform for dealing in security, thereby making efficient resource mobilization, which in turn results in industrial development in the country. These are the three major objectives of Bombay Stock Exchange. Listing of securities in BSE. A company has to submit a letter of application to the stock exchange before filing the prospectus with the registrar of the companies. The company enters into a listing agreement with the BSE. This agreement requires the company to make certain disclosure and perform certain acts. If the company fails, it may face some disciplinary action, including suspension, delisting of securities. A listing agreement is valuable. Here, in order to issue securities to the public, a company has to register itself with Bombay Stock Exchange or any other stock exchange. The process of admitting their securities in the list of a stock exchange is called listing. Here, every company, they have to submit a letter of application to the stock exchange in order to register themselves with the stock exchange. And for this, they have to make certain disclosures and perform certain acts. These acts are informed by the stock exchange to the companies. They have to comply with all the requirements of the stock exchange. If they fail to meet these requirements, the stock exchange can take disciplinary actions. It may be the suspension of the company or delisting of the securities from the list of this stock exchanges. Here, this listing process is very essential. There are certain requirements which has to be followed by the companies under listing agreement, and they are as follows. First one, to provide facility for the prompt transfer, registration, subdivision, consolidation of security. Here the companies are supposed to provide proper facility for the transfer of securities, registration, subdivision and consolidation of their securities to the stock exchange. To give proper notice of closure of transfer books and record dates. The companies have to maintain transfer books and they have to fix the transfer dates, and these details has to be submitted with the stock exchanges well in advance. To provide to forward 6 copies of unabridged annual reports, balance sheets, the profits and loss accounts to BSE, and to file shareholding patterns and financial results on a quarterly basis. These stock exchanges, these companies are supposed to transfer 6 copies of complete annual reports. The companies are supposed to maintain proper annual reports, and the 6 copies of these annual reports has to be submitted to Bombay Stock Exchange. They are also supposed to transfer the balance sheets and profit and loss accounts, and the details of shareholding pattern and financial results has to be submitted to Bombay Stock Exchange on a quarterly basis as per the listing requirements. To intimate promptly to the exchange happenings that are likely to materially affect the financial performance of the company and its stock prices. These companies are supposed to inform their stock prices and any information that can affect the security prices in any manner without any delay to the stock exchanges. They have to be quick in informing every material details to the stock exchange without any delay. To comply with the conditions of corporate governance. Corporate governance means the rules and regulations formed for the management of the company. As per the listing requirements, the BSE wants the company to comply with the conditions of corporate governance. These are the conditions or requirements which comes under listing agreement, which has to be followed by the company in order to register themselves with Bombay Stock Exchange. And listing is very essential for every company to trade in the stock exchange. Trading in BSE. Initially, BSE adopted open outcry trading like any other exchange the world over. Fully automated computerized mode of trading known as Bolt BSE online trading was introduced in 1995 to facilitate efficient processing of an order-driven system. The exchange obtained permission from Securities and Exchange Board of India for expansion of the Bolt network to the locations outside Bombay. Earlier, members of BSE were permitted to open trading terminals only in Mumbai. The stock exchanges admitted subsidiary companies formed by 13 regional stock exchanges as members. The members of these stock exchanges work as sub-brokers of the member brokers of BSE. Trading is conducted between 9:15 am to 3:30 pm from Monday to Friday. In the initial stage, the open outcry system was adopted by Bombay Stock Exchange. Here, open outcry system is a system where people or investor visit the stock exchange, or else we can say a pit, to trade in securities. It is more like a face-to-face trading where they used hand signals and certain gestures to inform the number of shares and the prices which is traded in the stock exchange to each other. That is open outcry system where face-to-face trading used to take place in a pit. But in the year 1995, Bombay Stock Exchange adopted Bolt, that is BSE online trading system, in order to facilitate the investors all over the world to trade in Bombay Stock Exchange. Earlier, this trading was taking place only in Mumbai, but now With the help of 13 regional stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange has expanded its activities throughout the country, and the trading takes place between 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday. It is the trading system of Bombay Stock Exchange. Conclusion: the BSE has helped to develop India's capital markets, including retail debt, retail debt market, and has helped to grow the Indian corporate sector. The BSE is Asia's first stock exchange and also includes an equities trading platform for small and medium enterprises. BSE has diversified into providing other capital services including clearing, settlement, and risk management. This Asia's oldest stock market or India's first and largest stock market, Bombay Stock Exchange, has provided greatest opportunity for Indian companies to trade in the stock market and raise capital for their performances. Thank you.